Hey, Prince, where are you going now?
Dad, I am going to my friend's home. I have some work on the school project.
But, have you forgotten? What did I tell you in the last night?
Sorry, I can't recall, Dad. What did you tell me?
Like, really? Why don't you pay attention when I speak? Why?
No, Father. I was a little bit worried about my presentation. I have to complete this within 2 days.
My words have no value to you. Is it like that? I can understand. If I tell you something, I hope you will listen carefully.
Sure, it will not happen in the future. Believe me.
I told you last night about my travel.
Yes. I can recall, Dad.
Good. I will be busy at least for 3 days. If I have more work there, I will stay there for a few days.
Well, Dad, I have no problem. You can stay there as long as you want. Now let me go to my friend's house. Okay?
No, it's not okay. You can't go outside of your home.
What? But why, Dad? You know that I have to complete my presentation.
Yes, I know. Relax. Listen to me carefully.
How can I be relaxed, Dad? I can't.
My son, it's important to stay at home, because I will not be at home for more than 3 days.
So? What's the connection with this, Dad? We can lock our doors and windows.
You will not understand. I don't know how will I make you understand.
I can't do this, Dad. I am going.
Okay, you can go, but you have to follow some instructions.
Sure, tell me. If you give me instructions, I will follow them.
Good boy. When you wake up in the morning, you have to clean your bed and rooms.
Okay, Dad. I will do that.
Don't invite any of your friends to our home.
Okay, Dad. I will not call any friends at home.
Okay, for now. Do you have any questions?
No, if I have any questions, I will call you immediately.
That's good, but if you have an emergency, what will you do?
As I told you before, I will call you if I have an emergency.
I am a little bit scared for you. Another reason nobody will be with you.
I can understand totally. I will be alert all the time.
Although you are smart, but in that situation, people can't understand anything. You have to know how to call the police.
If the police don't respond to my call, what will I do?
It's different, but if it happens, you will call your grandfather. Oh,
as far as I know, you don't talk with her. Then why should I call her?
This is our personal matter. Last night I talked with, if you need any help, will come.
Come on, Dad. I am not a child. I am 14 years old. I can manage things. Why don't you trust me?
Please don't take me wrong. I'm just trying to protect you. You will come if you have an emergency.
Dad. Then, okay. I have no issue with this. If I have any problem, I will call.
Last week I talked with your mother. She is coming this month.
Really? I am so happy, and I was missing her a lot.
If your mother comes, what will you do? Tell me.
Easy, I will welcome her. If she comes, I will tell her you. You had to go outside of the city for work purposes.
I'm worried about your mum. I hope she will not angry with me.
Angry? Why, Dad? Do you think you have done anything wrong?
No. It is not like that as you are thinking. I am leaving you alone at home. That's why.
Ha. You don't need to worry, Dad. If she asks, I will tell her everything.
I hope so. But I don't talk much with her after the divorce. Now she has a new family. I hope you can understand.
I know, Dad. Please don't bring up this topic. At least for now.
I know, my son. You become hard whenever you remember this.
Yes, Please don't talk about it again.
I know you sleep late at night because of your mobile. You have to give me a promise that you will not use your mobile after 10 p.m.
Okay, Dad. I am giving you the promise.
Will you be able to cook for yourself? Are you sure?
I will try to cook. If I can't, I will search on the internet. Don't worry about that, Dad.
But listen, don't buy any alcohol. Okay, make foods at home and eat them.
Sure, Dad. I will not do that.
When you cook, try to be focused. Don't use your mobile at that time.
Why, Dad? Is there any problem?
If there's a fire in the kitchen, what will you do?
I will try to leave the place. If I can't, I will call the firefighters.
What will you do for your school?
It will be the same time, Dad. I used to go.
But don't use the motorcycle if you go outside.
I know, Dad. You will not allow me to use the bike.
I know you have some bad friends in your school. Don't stay with them outside of the home for a long time.
All right, I will not do that.
Don't miss your private classes. If you miss the classes, I will call your teacher.
I don't miss the classes, Dad.
I trust you, but I have to make sure all the things.
A light, Dad. Is there anything else that you want to remind me?
What will you do on the weekend? Don't make any party.
No, Dad. I will clean the house. I will try to clean our garden.
Happy to hear this. The last time you did the party, it was horrible.
Yes, my friends felt embarrassed about that, Dad.
If it happens again, I will not tolerate it at all this time.
Sorry, Dad. I know you became angry because we did drink.
I'm leaving for you some money. If you need anything, you can buy.
How much money have you left, Dad?
Go and check inside the room. It's $200.
Please, give me some more money. It would be helpful.
More money for why? I think this is enough for you.
Actually, I want to buy some clothes for myself.
Really? You have never bought any clothes for yourself.
Well, I want to buy some gifts for Mom. I wanted to surprise her with a gift.
That's really nice. You don't need to tell a lie. Do you have any questions before I go?
Yes, tomorrow I want to go to a birthday party.
Whose birthday? May I know?
It's one of my school friends' birthday.
You don't need to go because I will not be at home.
Please, Dad. She will be sad if I don't go. She is a good friend of mine.
If your mother comes, say hello from my side.
Of course. Don't you miss her? I see you avoid her.
Yes, I still love her a lot, but for her happiness.
I couldn't understand anything. How she could be happy.
Yes, because she used to like someone. She was dating that person. One day I saw them together in a restaurant.
Really? I can't believe it. I used your fight with Mom every day. Is that the reason?
Yes, this fight was only for that reason. I didn't want to leave her.
I don't know. I feel you still love her.
Yes, I still love her and I will not marry again in my life.
If she is happy with another person, then why will you stay alone?
Because she was my first love and I can't forget her.
I can understand your feelings. I have no words at this time.
It's okay, my son. I'm happy that you are with me.
I am sorry, Dad. I used to think wrong about you. You have sacrificed a lot. You still love her. It's unbelievable. Okay. We will talk more about this when you will back from work.
Sure, we will talk, no problem.
But don't forget to take your medicines on time.
Yes, yes. I think today I made you emotional.
No, it's okay. My pain is nothing to your pain.
Thanks, my son. Take care of yourself.
Wish a safe and happy journey.
If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.